In Python, you can use an operator to accept one or more inputs in the form of variables or expressions to perform a task such as comparison or addition, and then provide an output consistent with that task. Types of data operators for numeric type supported by Python are arithmetic operators, comparison relational operators, assignment operators, and bitwise operators. Arithmetic operators. As the name suggests, arithmetic operators are used for arithmetic operations. The arithmetic operators are as follows: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, which is the remainder after division, and exponent. Addition is used to find the sum of two numbers. In this example, num1 is an integer 25, num2 is an integer 15, and num1 plus num2 equals 40. Subtraction is used to find the difference of two numbers. Num1 equals 25, num2 equals 15, and num1 minus num2 equals 10. Multiplication is used to find the product of two numbers. Num1 equals 25, num2 equals 15, so the product of num1 and num2 is 375. Division is used to find the quotient of two numbers. So in this example, num1 divided by num2 equals 1. Modulus is used to find the remainder of two numbers. In this example, num1 modulus num2 equals 10. Exponent is used to find the exponent of two numbers. It just means raised to the power of. So num1 raised to the power of num2 equals 9.313225746 to the power of 20.